Mnangagwa retires Maria Wandanzua. Civil Service Commission, CSC, Chairman, Maria Wandanzua has reportedly been retired after reaching the pensionable age of 65, Newsday can reveal. Nzua was served with his retirement letter from the office of the president last Friday and immediately replaced by his deputy, Mary Margaret Makata, in an acting capacity. Presidential spokesperson, George Dramba, yesterday declined to comment on the issue and referred questions to Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet Masek Sabanda, who was not reachable. "I am not aware, and in any case, I cannot comment about my employer," Dramba said. Nzua has been CSC chief for the past 26 years after taking over from Malcolm Thompson in 1992. Sources told Newsday that Nzua reported for work on Monday and Tuesday despite being served with a retirement letter last Friday. Although Nzua could not be reached for comment, a senior government official, who requested anonymity, confirmed the development, which he said marked the beginning of a larger effort promised by President Emmerson Mnangagwa to clear the civil service of workers above retirement age. Nzua was among a group of top civil servants who negotiated former President Robert Mugabe's exit last November following a military intervention.